Good morning, y'all. It's LA Appliance Guy. Quick sip of the Go Juice this morning. Look what we got. A GE-HE sensor try. Ooh, it's pretty. They said it just died. Like, just stopped, but will light up. So, yeah, we have reaction here. Did you hear the click? I'll do it again. You can hear the relay click there. Bet you we got a bad belt. Open the door. Door switch is clicking. Yeah. There's no resistance there. No resistance at all. So the belt broke, but did you hear that scrape? That's not good. We might have slides or something wedged in there cutting it. So let's get this top off and the front off. Top is 1, 2. We'll lift it, and then there's 2 screws to pull the front. Easy peasy. Here we go. Phillips going up. Thank you guys for tuning in on a Saturday. Well, I'm recording this on Saturday and might post it on Monday or something. But if you haven't figured it out, usually I record something a day and then I edit it and post it the next day, or sometimes it's 2 days. But very rarely can I film and post same day. Usually it's next day, but happy Saturday. Probably should go ahead and unplug it. One day I'm gonna get shocked, but not today. Yet. So if you wanted to go ahead and take the top up properly, you take the quarters here, and you pop the headboard back. Then there's 2 more quarters going straight down, and they're about that long. That holds the back down. But me, I just lift it up, move it over, and get to these quarters right here to get the front off. I be lazy. Lift the top up, pull the front. Yeah, we got a little bit of slide eatage right here. That might be where our noise is coming from. Oh yeah. Little pin in there. Yeah, they might have caught it just in time. Oh, I don't know. Look at that. It's probably gonna be a no fix. Man. What ate it? Goodness gracious. That's not good. Oh, there's a belt. And it's the 3 rib. So, if I don't have a used drum, this is gonna be a no fix. There's a hot point right there, and then there's a few more out there in the boneyard. So let's see if we might have a used tub, but it's not looking good. Oh yeah, now we can test our crap. But it looks good. Other than the belt, the slides, and the drum. Even the purple wire of death looks good. Look at that. That's so weird. I don't understand it. why some of those purple wires burn like that in the back. If you don't know, it's very common for that purple wire going to the common side of the element to burn out and break. I mean, on very new GE units, GE's hot points, all of them. But this one looks perfect. It's weird. Where are you, tub? We have, there's a GE there. We got a handful of GE dryers. So we got two here. We got a hot point and a GE. Let's see if we can get one to work. Looks good. So we'll try and save this front and see if it'll work on our unit. Now look at that. That one won't work. Jeez, man. Cheese and crackers. Let's see if the GE will work. Man. Wow. This one has no lip, but treasure. Ooh. Is that $1? Is that $1? Oh man. Cool. Why is it never $100? How ungrateful of me. But yeah, this one was making some racket too, it looks like. This might be SOL on this one. They, with the tub cut like that, none of these are gonna work. Boo. Ooh, I found some more bling. What do they call this? Curb chain or something? Or Cuban chain? I don't know. I don't wear that kind of stuff. Well, got a little bit of treasure. So yeah, this drum is $300. That one won't fit. It's a no fix, but you know what? We can make it run. Let's make it run. Stick your foot on the switch. There we go. Yay! We got heat too. And that's what happened when the belt broke. It trips the switch over there and kills the dryer. But with a doo-doo tub, she gone. But yeah, the first thing you look for when somebody says they have a dead GE or hot point, 3-rib belt. Why would they go from 4 to 3? little planned obsolescence. They needed it to fail just a little bit faster. But then you talk to them and then they say, oh, it was making a scraping noise. And then you go, okay, well, it might need some slides or that whole front piece. Goodness. Then you take the drum out. And if the drum's ate up, she gone. Well, I guess that's it. This one's going to the scrapyard. We'll save that element and we'll leave a little bit of that purple wire on there just in case we need to fix another one that has a bad element with a burned purple wire. I'll probably go ahead and save the control board and put it on the scrap trailer. Well, it's the end of the video. Sorry we couldn't fix it, but hey, at least I made it run. But if you made it all the way through the video, it's keyword time. You put the keyword in the comments to make sure everybody knows that you made it to the end of my stupid video. And today, we're gonna take that element out and the purple wire and the control board and send it to the claw, baby. We're gonna send it to the claw. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We're almost to 2,000 and that is crazy, still mind-blowing. Later.